My name is Janie. Welcome to my channel. I do videos on all things cute, whether that's Squishables, Build-A-Bear, Loungefly, Sanrio, Hot Topic, which is what we're going to be talking about today. Got a little carried away when I was shopping on Cinco de Mayo, which is my husband's birthday. I was buying a shirt for him, like told him to pick out a little gift because I didn't get anything beforehand. It's also a really weird story of something that happened while we were in that store. I will put that at the end of the video. The first one I got is this balloon Sanrio t-shirt. So it features Tuxedo Sam, Hello Kitty, Pachaco, and the rest of them. I be forgetting their names, I'm sorry, but I really love the balloons. I love the outline, how it's pink here, the sleeve is yellow, the other sleeve is like a baby blue. This is a cropped like baby tee, which runs small, or at least for me. I'm fully in my 30s shopping at Hot Topic, so I always have to size up with these kinds of t-shirts. With their normal ones, I don't. I choose the medium. With these, I went for an extra large, and it's still pretty tight fitting. I tried it on for the close-ups, but I love it. I think it's beautiful with a pair of high-waisted shorts. It's usually how I style them. I love these kinds of t-shirts, and I mean, I guess I could go for the tight look, but that's a little bit uncomfortable for me, so that's why I size up to an extra large. But I love the design on this. Full price, this is $26.90, but like I said, everything was buy one get one 30% off. Then I saw another baby tee. This one has Cinnamoroll, who is my favorite. So it's Cinnamoroll holding a bunch of beautiful little whimsical balloons. There's some glitter detail on top of the balloons, and it says Cinnamoroll. And what I really like in the back is that little balloon cart, like a little carnival cart circus type of theme, which I really love. I think what would have been even more perfect was if they had like some cotton candy on this shirt as well, because that's my favorite. But I love the color. I think it's beautiful. Again, I went with an extra large. I love that baby blue. So nice. And I can't wait to wear these because it's been so hot lately. And you know, summer, spring is not my vibe, but pushing through because climate change. My next Sanrio item is this pair of shorts. They're high-waisted. They're really beautiful. They're split down the middle. One side is My Melody, the other side is Kuromi. I thought these were really beautiful. Really not something I would pick up from Hot Topic, to be honest with you, because sizing wise, like I said, I'm an adult shopping in Hot Topic, so it can be a little bit tricky. And I always get scared spending my money on something that I don't know is going to fit properly without me trying it on. But while I was there was another girl who was trying on stuff, or wanted to try on stuff, and she asked if they had a fitting room, and they did. I did not know Hot Topic had a fitting room, so after she tried on her things, I was like, you know what, let me try on these shorts, and I'm really glad I did. I grabbed a bunch of sizes though because I wasn't sure what was gonna fit, and ultimately I got a 9. Usually I'm a size 6 in like Old Navy and stuff. I don't really wear jeans. I wear shorts, but I don't really wear jeans and stuff, so it's hard to tell what my sizing is. I heard on a review that this tends to run small anyway. Really like the detailing. It comes with a removable chain. Pockets are cute. I like them. I could have gone up to a size 11, but then it gets a little too baggy in the front, and I hate that look. So because everything's buy one get one 30% off, see, here's where I started to spiral. You know, I had the 2 baby ringer Sanrio shirts, I had the Kuromi shorts, so I needed one more item to round it out. I got another pair of shorts, and I don't know if this is based off a movie or anything, or just like a cultural thing, but it's a really pretty pair of denim shorts, and I just like the detailing at the bottom. Like, it has butterflies and flowers and little mushrooms. I love mushrooms. And then this little creature in the pocket, which I thought was really cute. And in the back there's 2 of them in like little pots with little flowers on top of their heads. I mean, there's detailing on it, but it's a pretty basic pair of shorts. I have not bought shorts in a really long time. Like, I've just been reusing the ones that I've had for the past like 7 years. These are nice, high-waisted, but they're a little bit long. They're cuffed at the bottom. But how much were these? I already wore them, so I already took the price tag off, but if I find it, I'll put it here. We got a lot of hot cash because of this experience. I don't know why I said experience, like shopping trip. Okay, this one still has its tag, $44.90. The last 2 items were for my husband, which was the original purpose of our trip to Hot Topic. He got a Kirby hat. It's like black with gold stars. It was the last one there. He wears these types of like snapback hats a lot. Well, I think it was a good color scheme as opposed to a lot of things he's been wearing, and because it's black, I feel like it could match with everything. So I got him that, and then again, you know, buy one get one 30% off. So he picked out a shirt, a Pokemon shirt. I don't remember what it was, so I'm gonna just throw it up on the screen for you because I'm not the best with Pokemon after the first 2 generations. Watch me say that, and then this is a Pokemon from the first 2 generations. I'm not sure. I literally don't remember. Normally I would just go back on my email and check it out. Ultimately, it was a success. We both got what we wanted. Now for the weird story. So we were shopping, we were taking forever. After I tried on the shorts, you know, I was still browsing and I was trying to put them back because Hot Topic doesn't have like that rack where you can put the things you don't like. I was putting the shorts back on the rack and the lights started flickering and they turned off. The lights of the store. There's 2 women working. They were very, very nice. I feel really bad for them. One of them was like, oh, someone broke into our stockroom and they flipped off the lights. That's kind of concerning, but it didn't really register. I was just like, okay. I was telling Gilbert, like, hurry up, go find your thing, because he was on the other side of the store just looking and looking and looking, and I wanted to get out of here, right? Because we've already spent way too much time in there. It's been like 20-30 minutes since the store opened. It's a Sunday. It opens at 11. And then I walk kind of closer to the registers and I see the manager, who is not checking people out. She is talking to a boy, or like a young teen, early adult kid, saying, you cannot go back there. That is like staff only. You have to exit the store. And he's like, oh, I apologize. I didn't mean to do that. And then what does he do as soon as he finishes that sentence? He literally walks back into that stock room while she's telling him, no, you can't go in there, get out, get out, get out. While that's happening, I'm already, all right, Gil, like, pick your shit, let's go. Otherwise, we're gonna leave all these things behind. And because you just never know. You never know when a situation is gonna escalate further, especially nowadays. I don't like to risk it, not over some freaking clothes. So I was like, pick your stuff or we're getting out. And as we're doing that, the guy leaves. She's following him. There's literally security side of the store. And he just kind of stands there. I think he asks her, oh, did you file a report? And she's freaking out. She's like, no, this has just happened. Are you not gonna go after him? You're just standing there. I don't blame her. I can tell she was frustrated. She was frazzled. It's a scary situation. And her bag was open in the stock room when he walked in there, so he was alone there, not only with merchandise but with her own personal belongings. I felt bad because Gil finally chose what he wanted, and we went to the other girl, and she was just so rattled and, you know, still has to continue with her job, and she was very, very nice. And I just felt bad because what a way to start your Sunday shift. Like, retail is not for the weak, and it really sucks when even security is limited on what they can do to alleviate the situation. So while Gil and I were walking, because once we were done with that, I was like, let's go, let's go home. But I have to leave from a very particular exit. We take public transportation. So I was trying to find, you know, if you go down, if you've ever been to Queen Center Mall, it's kind of weird. Like, there's a food court on one end and there's like a normal levels on the other end. So if I end up in the food court area and I go down, then obviously I'm gonna be in the food court and I'm not gonna be able to exit from there. So while we were walking around, I was trying to see if I spotted him again, but we didn't see him. And there's a lot of security everywhere. I just feel bad because she said that's not the first time this has happened, and I'm not sure if she means that with that particular person or just in general, people breaking in. But it's one thing to steal merchandise, especially like merchandise, I'm not condoning that, but you know, it happens. It's one thing to steal merchandise from like the sales floor. It's another thing to break into the stock room, even if it's not locked. You know, you're not supposed to be in there. And he was very coherent when he said like, oh, I apologize, I didn't know I couldn't be in there, and then did it again. So it's just weird vibes. I feel bad. My thoughts go out to them. But if you made it to the end of my video, thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. I hope you're staying safe out there. Stay hydrated. Have your sunscreen on. I have not been drinking enough water, so I really need to get on that. So stay safe until next time. Bye.